Hi and welcome. My name is Chris Baker, and my business Release Your Unconscious, which also goes as Chris-J-Baker, is was created to help people to be the best versions of themselves. So what I do actually, I work a lot with organizations, and I work with organizations to help them to identify and clarify their culture. And really what I'm looking to do is to help them create a culture of empowerment, one where their employees are empowered to do the right thing, where their employees are seen as part of the organization and not just a quote unquote number, as a lot of employees seem to feel. So I do that through dynamic coaching, through immersive workshops and engaging seminars with the organizations. And it's all really to help create a legacy of empowerment and leadership. Right, so we're creating leadership through within the organization to develop leaders from within to help continue that legacy of the company and embody the culture in everything they do so that it grows the company. Now that's great with companies, and it's great with the companies that want to invest in that. But what about if you're working in a company that isn't into that, in that mode? Right? How do you position yourself to be that marketable resource that can grow and develop and become the best version of you? There's a catch-22, right? Do you wait for the employer? And if they don't do it, do you just fall into the mediocrity and average sort of settling for the status quo that other people do? Or do you go and spend time and money and invest in yourself and rise above the crowd, right? Become one of that top 5% that actually do something about taking control of their lives. So here's my thing for you. If you are in control of a small to medium-sized organization, or even a large organization that needs some help with this for your organization, if you're a small business owner that has got maybe a handful of employees, but you want to nurture them and encourage them and grow them, right? Or if you're an individual that is looking to take control of your own destiny and your own life and your own future and become the best version of you, reach out to me. I can help you. I'm here to help you to be the best you can be. I've done it myself. I've broken away from conventional thinking. I've broken away from the corporate world to do something that I'm passionate about doing. I'm making a difference not only in my life, but in other people's lives. I've got a culture. I'm creating a legacy. What's yours going to be? It'd be cool. I look forward to speaking to you. Bye for now.